video, we are going to be looking at how to install 66socialproof, that is socialproof and FOMO widget notification. So let's see some properties of this script. 66socialproof, that is a fully loaded toolkit with marketing tools, plugins and pop-ups to create FOMO, social-proof, engage and keep your website visitors engaged. So after purchasing this script, look at it. After purchasing this script, I go straight to my cPanel. So for my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your script installation and customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. So next, I'll be going to my subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is this. So I have already uploaded my script. Here is it. Then next, I extract it. So next, I click on extract files. So I click on close. Next, the extracted file, here is it. So I open it. I select all, then I'm moving it to the root folder. Move files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. Next, I click on up one level. So next, let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, paste it there, then slash install, enter. Next, I click on start the installation. Okay, so then everything is intact. I click on next. Okay, my database name, my username. Okay, now I'm going back to my cPanel. This time around, I'm going to my databases, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. For your script installation or customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. I have successfully created my database. So next, I click on go back. So after successfully creating my database, next I will create my user. Let me name my user as this. Okay. Next, I click on create user. I have successfully created my database user. So next, I click on go back. After successfully creating my database and my user, next I'm going to add my user to my database. Okay, it has selected it for me. So I click on add. I give her privileges, then scroll down to make changes. I have successfully added my user to my database. So let me copy my database username. Go back to my subdomain, database name, username. So this is my database name. Let me edit it. Here is it. So let me just, okay, I'm going to fill this place. Then click on finish installation. Okay, the installation process has been successfully completed. So let me click on the site. I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, for your script installation or customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. Thank you.